Mastering Analogy and Antonym Questions on the GMAT and GRE. Hello language learners! Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most intriguing aspects of the GMAT and GRE vocabulary tests: analyzing analogy and antonym questions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these questions better but will also have strategies in hand to conquer them with confidence. Analogy and antonym questions are two types of vocabulary-related questions you may encounter on the GMAT and GRE. Analogy questions often take the form A is to B as C is to D. Here, you're looking for relationships or patterns between words. Antonym questions require you to identify words with opposite meanings. Remember, these tests aren't just about knowing the meanings of words, but understanding their relationships and contexts. When facing analogy questions. 1. Establish the relationship. Before looking at the options, identify the relationship between the given pairs of words. Is it a cause and effect? Synonyms? Part to whole? 2. Predict an answer. Try to come up with your own answer or relationship before looking at the options. 3. Eliminate wrong answers. Often, there will be options that don't fit the relationship pattern. Eliminate these first. Example: book is to author as song is to? The relationship here is that of a creation to its creator. Thus, the answer is composer. For antonym questions. 1. Context matters. Look at the sentence in which the word is used. The same word can have different antonyms depending on its context. 2. Beware of tricky options. Sometimes, options can be synonyms or unrelated words instead of antonyms. Stay alert. 3. Process of elimination. If unsure, eliminate choices that you know aren't direct opposites. Example: the movie's climax was so subtle that. Here, the opposite of subtle in this context might be obvious or overt. Time is crucial. Practice will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your speed. Regular reading. The more you read, especially academic and formal texts, the better you'll get at understanding context. Flashcards. A tried and tested method. Make flashcards of tricky words with their antonyms, synonyms, and a sentence for context. Remember, the GMAT and GRE tests are as much about strategy as they are about knowledge. With the right strategies and plenty of practice, you'll find yourself much more equipped to handle analogy and antonym questions. Best of luck, and remember, every word you learn is a step closer to your dream score.